Because of the developing notoriety of large cryptographic forms of money, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, we frequently don't focus on other computerized resources. Be that as it may, some of them might be more solid and productive. Such a model is the IOTA digital money. In this video, find the most recent IOTA cost expectations, the possibilities, and the trademark highlights of this digital money. Particle, miota, is a shrewd agreement stage that has in a general sense upgraded disseminated record innovation. Its inventive quantum-secure convention, Tangle, empowers extraordinary new highlights, for example, zero exchange expenses, endless versatility, quick exchanges, secure information move, and numerous others. This advanced resource offered clients the benefit of fixed cash at no inflationary expense. The IOTA project was sent off back in 2016. It is explicitly intended to process and affirm online exchanges among gadgets and machines associated with the internet. All in all, it stores and executes online exchanges in the IoT environment. The task is pointed toward supporting the Internet of Things, the machine economy, and the advanced change into the metaverse. It is essential to take note of that IOTA, in contrast to most digital forms of money, doesn't work with blockchain. All things being equal, it associates with a vault, otherwise called IOTA Tangle. Particle has a rich history loaded with high points and low points, so we compassed an extraordinary video on what is IOTA. IOTA Tangle doesn't follow a straight line chain, and that is the means by which it really contrasts from the blockchain. Notwithstanding, the completely decentralized stage follows the P2P, distributed convention. The DAG, directed acyclic graph, innovation was utilized for its turn of events. What are the highlights of IOTA? The engineers, first of all, neglected the natural however weighty blockchain for Tangle's interesting innovation. In the event that blockchain innovation is a consecutive chain of blocks and any branches are viewed as forks, then Tangle is a fanned framework that is continually advancing every which way. This innovation of Tangle goes about as an arrangement of hubs wherein each new exchange affirms two past ones. In any case, we should continue on toward the subject of the Internet of Things and, in the end, to IOTA cost expectations. What is the Internet of Things? IoT is an organization of gadgets associated with the internet and furnished with electronic chips for information transmission and handling. What does it resemble practically speaking? For instance, the cooler naturally thaws out when you press a button on your cell phone. Essentially, a wellness tracker estimates the physiological boundaries of your body during an exercise and sends reports to your iPhone. A large portion of the current advances with the prefix shrewd have a place with the classification of IoT. In 2015, Norwegian business visionary David Sonstebo accumulated a drive gathering of engineers in Germany. Together they established the IOTA Foundation and directed an ICO to draw in financial backers to their uncommon startup. Anyway, does IOTA mean Web of Things asset? No. Particle is the 10th letter of the Greek letters in order to ensnare the littlest unit a micropayment. Nonetheless, IOTA is firmly interwoven with the Internet of Things and intends to make a helpful method for installment to execute its futurological idea. Particle price analysis. Cost investigation influences IOTA cost. Notwithstanding this experience, they actually loved IOTA such a lot of that they put resources into its turn of events. Particle price prediction. Now, we should find out about the new history of IOTA cost expectations from the most well-known stages. With the Internet of Things turning out to be progressively strong, numerous crypto experts predict likely development for the IOTA cost. Nonetheless, digital forms of money are famously unpredictable, and IOTA is no special case. So on the off chance that you're thinking about adding the resource for your portfolio, it's critical to do your own exploration to keep steady over the digital currency patterns. Market prediction for IOTA by experts. When examining IOTA's market feelings, it merits underlining that, as a general rule, crypto specialists and local area members are hopeful about the forecast of IOTA. As per a large portion of the IOTA cost expectations by crypto specialists and experts, the momentary figure is fundamentally bullish. Particle Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized investigation of IOTA costs expected in 2022, the base expense of IOTA will be 37 cents. The greatest level that the miota cost can reach is 43 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 38 cents. Miota price forecast for May 2022. In light of the value variances of IOTA toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical miota pace of 31 cents in March. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 28 cents and at 31 cents, individually. June 2022. IOTA price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the miota cost in April 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 30 cents, while the greatest could reach 33 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of IOTA may be around 32 cents. Miota price forecast for July 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of IOTA in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal miota rate they anticipate may be around 33 cents in May. It can drop to 32 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 35 cents. August 2022. IOTA price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the miota cost will be exchanged at 34 cents overall. June could likewise observe an expansion in the IOTA worth to 36 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 33 cents in June 2022. Miota price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined IOTA costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 34 cents. The most minimal and top miota rates may be 33 cents and 38 cents. October 2022. IOTA price forecast. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the miota cost will be around 35 cents. In August, the IOTA cost might drop to at least 34 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 39 cents in August 2022. Miota price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down IOTA costs, digital money specialists expect that the miota rate could arrive at a limit of 41 cents in September 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to 35 cents. For September, the anticipated normal of IOTA is almost 37 cents. December 2022. IOTA price forecast. Around mid-2022, the IOTA cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 38 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in October 2022, the miota cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 37 cents and 43 cents. Particle Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of IOTA in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of IOTA will be around 54 cents. The greatest expected miota cost might be around 64 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 56 cents in 2023. Does IOTA have a future? Engineers are continually dealing with extending organizations. They are looking for different areas of innovation application. Preceding the venture, one of the makers of IOTA had previously worked in the field of the Internet of Things. Will IOTA turn up? Which variables influence the last long-haul IOTA estimate? Nobody knows. Kindly do your own exploration before you contribute. All things considered, it's your own gamble.